Hey, hello. So, in the profile section, you have your avatar. You can actually change this avatar. There is this one, they're still using the Friends and the Ready Player Me, right? Friends is from Line, which is another Korean social media messenger kind of thing. So this one is the preset one. You can just choose any one you like here. Or you can also just go to this Ready Player Me one. And you can create your own over here. So you can create your own avatar over here. You just go to create. Let's change our avatar while we are here. So you can take a photo if you want, but I don't feel like you're gonna take a photo, right? So you can choose you're gonna be a male or you're gonna be a non-binary, or they're not here yet, I think. So they're gonna introduce this soon. Then we got our body already. We can change your face over here. You can change the color, and then you can change your eyes. Oh, let me choose what color eyes there. There's no purple. I'm sad, there's no purple color. I like purple. Oh, this one looks like the Matrix or something. What is this? That looks a bit scary. We can just go like dark gray. So you can choose your eye shape and then your eyebrows. I do not know. I never actually do anything to my eyebrows. So I do not know what's good. That's good enough. So I guess this is the color of the eyebrows. And then in your nose, you can change your nose. Hair. Let's look at hair. How many? Oh, they have a lot. Actually, for hair, is there purple here? Closest one to purple. This is like the closest one. I want ponytail, honestly. Oh, this one. This one looks so cute. Okay, this one looks nice. Okay, that's it. Okay, so let's look at the clothing. Same thing. You can have set. So this is set clothing. I think it's involved. It has both the top part and the bottom part. So this one is it's already it's one full set. Oh, this is so nice. Actually, this is super cool. This remind me of Fortnite. Oh, this one also looks so cool. Okay, we just gonna choose one. Always have to stop myself. Let's see the bottom. This really give me Fortnite vibe. Okay, we just gonna go with this. Maybe this one. Alright, and then we have shoes. We can just use any shoe. I'm just gonna change it to black color. Oh, that's so cool. We got our shoes. Oh, it has makeup. Oh my god. So you can actually save it across. Confirm. Okay, we save it already, right? Double check. I think we saved it already because our profile also has changed. Alright guys, that's it for this video. And in the next video, we are going to make our own game using Redbrick. Until then, see you!